Hey YouTube, this is the car I'm building. I thought I'd make a video of it, see if I can maybe get a following. It's not a replica, it's just a one-off build I bought from an engineer. I do a lot of this kind of stuff, built Porsches and Corvettes and Camaros, and everyone tells me I need to make more YouTube videos and show my stuff. So this is my attempt to make a video that maybe gets a little traction. It's fatter than a Grand Sport Corvette, sits 40 inches off the ground. I think, if I remember right, 105-inch wheelbase. I've got a LQ9 5.3 to an Audi 5HP 19 transmission back there. I did it about 8 years ago, and I just brought it out of storage to start working on it again. It's extremely fat, gonna be a very wide car. Haven't decided if I'm gonna make it a permanent topless coupe or glass that top in. Let me know what you think. I don't have a face for videos, so the car is better to be seen than me. This is the man cave I'm building it in. I moved into this house about a year ago, and first thing I worked on was this barn. Built a little bar over here I'm putting together for the family. Working on that right now, actually. So that's my project. Just thought I would share. Please comment, share it. Maybe I can get some traction and I can turn it into something a little more, I don't know. Check it out. Thanks, guys.